Today we are going to solve a problem on tree. So in our previous video we have solved problem on arrays and problem on a linked list. So now we are moving forward, henceforth we will be trying to solve some problems on tree. So today we are starting with tree traversal. So there are three ways of using which we can traverse a tree. So today, in our today's video, we are going to solve three Leetcode problem in one video because they are related and pretty easy to solve. So to start with, first let's discuss what are three types of tree traversal. So there are three tree traversal. One is pre-order tree traversal. The second is post-order. Second is in-order tree traversal, and third is post-order tree traversal. So what exactly it is happening? So we have to, since it is tree traversal, so we have to traverse a tree in three different way. So if we are traversing the root node first, then its left subtree, and then its right subtree, then that is pre-order traversal. If we are traversing left subtree first, then then root node, and then right subtree, then that is in order traversal. If we are traversing left subtree first, right subtree then, and then we will traverse the root node, that is post order traversal. So to traverse this all three ways, the difference is only when we are going to traverse the root node, because we are traversing left tree first and then right subtree. But the root node, if we are traversing first, then it is pre-order traversal. If we are traversing after left subtree, then it is in order traversal. And if we are traversing after left and right subtree, then it is post order traversal. So in this case, this is the representation of 1 2 3 will be pre-order, 2 3 1 will be in order, and 2 3 1 will be post order traversal. So I hope you understood the concept. So we are traversing it recursively. So there are only three steps. First, let's try for pre-order traversal. So on Leetcode, what we have to return the traversal. So vector of integer vct return. We will try to keep the code same, and minor tweak in the code will help to solve all three problems. So pay attention for this pre-order traversal, then we will tweak this pre-order traversal to work it for in order and post order as well. So if the root node is null, if null is equal to root, then we are returning as it is, return vct rate as it is. Okay, if it is not, then in pre-order traversal, what we have decided, first we have to traverse the root node. So we will consider the current node vct rate dot push underscore back for root node. So root node we have considered. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to traverse recursively for left subtree. So how we are going to do that? Root arrow left, this will traverse left subtree, and then we are going to do the same thing for right subtree. Right. Okay, so left and right is done. So now we have to club all these output. So for that reason we need two more vectors, vct right, vct left, vct right. I have taken three vectors for simplicity. We can do it within one or two vectors. So now what we have to return VCT rate, but VCT rate currently only contains this one. Okay, so what we have to update the VCT rate with VCT rate dot insert with VCT rate dot end VCT rate dot VCT left dot begin comma VCT left dot end. So in this way we club the output for left subtree, then we have to club the similar way we have to club the output for right subtree as well. So we have to collect the output for right subtree as well in the output. So in this way VCT rate will contain all the traversal node data in the end. So let's try to run it for a sample test case. Hopefully it will accept. Yeah, it got accepted. Now let's run it for all the test cases. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it is working for all the test cases. Now we are using this, we will be using the same code for in-order traversal. What is the difference between in-order traversal and pre-order traversal? We are considering the root node after left subtree traversal. So I have moved this root node after left subtree traversal, and the function name is different on Leetcode, so we have to change that function name and our code should work. See, so let's try to run it for all the test cases. Yeah, it is worked for all the test cases. Now let's try to run it for since in order and pre-order is done, now let's try to run it for post-order traversal. So what is the difference? Post-order traversal, we will be putting the root node at last. So here we are going to put the root node. Yeah, so that's it. Root node position after left subtree traversal and right subtree traversal we are going to consider. So in this way we are going to achieve the post order traversal. Okay, the function name I forgot to change. Recursively we are traversing. Yes, so this is also going to work. So yes, this is work. Now I hope you understood the in order, pre-order and post-order traversal for tree. So these are the three ways using which we can traverse the entire tree. Based on our requirement, we can use any of the traversal. Generally in order traversal is used because it is helpful for traverse the tree in sorted order if it is BST. So anyways, that's all for today. I hope you like the video. I will put the solution link from Leetcode from GitHub into the description box. Do check it out. If you found this video useful, then like the video, share it with your friends. For any doubts, comment on it, and do consider for subscribing my channel. Thank you. Happy coding.